Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke menteri ke tenat ke kot ke kia ke Dr. Maisel Amperin lingdo kalaong. Baka jingkot jingkia akade ke spa ba. But let's see kani kamrung ha ke jingmut jing perkat jong ki babon gidong song snong ha kani ke Jylla. Namar badang duna ki balaj ban pa pen. But kemi benia lepa ya ke jinglong jingman jong ke kot ke kia ha ke met. Kakong Amperin kala penpau ya kini haba ajing kren ha ke jing elang play ya ke jaka ajing sumar kabala penlong. Da ke Angel Care Research Health Institute Hospital St. Jerome Nong Mensong kabala long menta ka sngi ka khatway ter ku jimbang arjar arpusa. Kani ka menteri sarkar kala ong ba haba keren syapang ka jingkot jingkia lanyo ba ka spa ba bat bon sen hi ki Briew ki we pat ki jaka ki judon ka jing melin ban pa khmi banya la ni pa pet lepa yo don kanu ka Jingpang jing stom ha ka met. Henry kambun sin nagi nong song snong ha ke Jylla kim long kumta bat kim Kwah hiru ban tip ya ke Jingpang jing stom. Henry ke kong Amperin kala air ke jing yaro ya ke arhi hospital ke bapen long ya ke jing ai jing sumar na ke benta ke jing bentoy ke nong song snong bat ban tip ya ke Jingpang jing stom ha ke met kenang ban yo ban sumar ha ke por ke babiang lingba ki la jing sumar ki badon ha ki jaka ai jing sumar. Kakong Amperin kala keren ru syapang ki jing haga liang ki la jing sumar kamtam ka jing jelai jong ka Jingpang bampong ne cancer kabala kta iki babon balang ki longying longsem kala penken mauru ya ka ying ka sem la jong ha ka bakumno u hinmen jongka ulayo ya ka Jingpang bat kala long ka ba bha ya ka ying ka sem panya khun shushu ko menteri sarkar kala ai jingmut ru ya kini ke jaka ai jing sumar bakanya dan bentalang bat ke sarkar Jylla naga benta ban yette bat ru banya dan benta khnang ban yo jing mentoy ki Briew ke Jylla ki balaj ban pha sumar ha kani ke hospital ha kani ke sngin alor ke menteri sarkar le don langru ba hek menteri ketanat rijing ri jong sarkar Jylla bat ba ai jing keren lingkot ha kani ke sngi lembat ki doktor jong kani ke hospital.
Daka Jingpang kum ka menteri ka bapet ya ka kot ka kya ha kena Jylla nga kloy bangan wan bangan penyaday ladi bangan IT ka tiang ti kamon ya kum kani ka Jait program kaban yarap ya kinong song snong lajong hon kum ka Jait Briew ngim chukwa pantip iki Jingpang ijungi ngim patday ka Jait Briew kum syari pareng hakaba compulsorily klempem sisim rubenai ibe nong song snong idi benlet ki jaka ai sumar ban check ya ke jinglong ke jingman jong ke met ke phat ke joki knang ba kanum don ke jingban jong kanu ke Jingpang ti kani kedi ke takalat ke kebu ke bangiyo hakum kedi ke pot bat ngi dekit bok kit riang ya ke anhi hospital bakan dang kiu syakmat bat kan long chi sha ke jaka ai suman ke ban ya rap ya kinong song snong hapa pipuli ya kani ke mission ke vision jong kani ke hospital ngasngau ba kapen pau syai baki dadon shisha ka jingmu ban yarap yangi kamtam le ki bakam duk ki bakam shitom ki bam dadon kan ka spa kapau banyo ya kata ka jing sumar ka bakidon kam banyo kum kinong song snong
jingtu jo kani ka RE hospital Angel Care Research and Health Institute dan benda ban ai yang jing sumar kiba biang ang ni ko hospital ke ba kidang supli mana kani ka laboratory gumat ya ka OPD ban au na June July in April no full fledged hospital aspa jingja kani ka hospital ini in bon ma facilities ko bala dem om ki doctors banda baro bon ma facilities badai da benda cancer badai da benda ka function orthopedic da benda ka gynecology da gastro don bon baro bala batai kan ban batai kita ini bang nomor ngamde da you tingi ngamde board of director badai board director de board juga aiban sarai heknosi board of director juga di hospital bagi Kwah benwara closer ya kani ka jing ay sumar khamjan sigi paiba ti ko bala ong mene madam Amperin ilakten ba kin dekam bande ikane ka empanelment Iknang ba mangi po megalia ga po dingi ngilas dang ya ga MHIS mega health insurance scheme. Ya kani mane madam ru da prem ne ga basha ba Kwah ban empanel no ya kani hospital amang yo ende na ngilas dang full fledgedly de ngilas dang ya hospital kinsa empanel lang ba MHIS knang ban wara pentusuk penpendunai ke jinggut jingsep jong hidup di nopang besa apa megalaya mar ba kani ka scheme MHIS kini tang berbeda hidup di nong jong nong megalaya tigi yo ya di aido sanlak laipo hajar dan ta ban sumari gini pang repair di dalor bangi la do lupa ki facilities repair bagi wara ru ban wara ya gajing ai gini sumar mapaka bagi doktor jungi paro kini long super specialties doktor well qualified dat pada ke jimentoy jong panba nong sung snong datang megalaya jong not easy bro kowe bagi baik de ke Bangladesh juga pada cakap sanang mau ke bajan bela bersium dia ka mata bopon hang nong Bangladesh ke ban sumar hapo downtown ke don bon selicha ko Delhi ke don bi Jakarta yang ni ke border jong ke megalaya Bangladesh ni very close bordering Egi tur kila banyo egi facilities dan bagi aiwan ado negrim tu kita nguat ibon hai kuan ki patient ban sumarang ni egi ke jo kampun ki facilities kila ban ai nak betak ki non jam ki nopang ki badon apo ka state ki jungi ban state ki pemarjan bagi geri ki pemarjan baka mega
Specialty Hospital. As sir said that it is in Jorabad, in Mosmai village, Jorabad, just opposite to Northeast Cancer Hospital. So it will be a multi-super speciality hospital where all the facilities will be there, and our multi-super speciality clinics like your cancer clinic is there, then your orthopedics, then we have our cardiac sciences with cath lab, we have a nuclear medicine facility which will include PET CT scan, gamma camera, high dose radioiodine therapy wards. We have a full-fledged radiation oncology department where we have LINAC machines along with brachytherapy. We have a full range of chemotherapy wards with pediatric oncology as well included in our armament. Then we have our neurosciences department. The best part of our hospital is that all the super specialty doctors that are required to run a department, they are all part of the hospital. They are also the promoter and directors of the hospital. So 24/7 that facility will be available. We are also planning to employ people and also acquire or recruit doctors from all other specialties that are required for a multi-super specialty hospital. And for the cancer treatment, as you know, myself, I am a cancer specialist, I am a head and neck oncologist, and Dr. Jylla is a surgical oncologist. We both are there, and along with us, you know that the cancer treatment, we need to do a lot of tests, and that tests include PET CT, and which is one of the diagnostic as well as prognostic test for the cancer thing. So Dr. Sandeep, he is also with us. So for the cancer treatment, we have all the treatment facilities and machines that are required under one roof. We have the radiation department, which will include the LINAC machine, brachytherapy. We have the chemotherapy units, which will cater both adult patients for the chemotherapy as well as pediatric oncology department. Then we have our nuclear medicine facilities. We have 5 modular OTs, which will be, as you know, this cancer surgery takes long duration of surgical hours, around 8 to 10 hours sometimes. So when you have to do this, these are all specialized OTs where come negative pressure and everything that requires a modular OT. So we have already come up with the 5 modular OTs so that we have an entire facility that is required for the treatment of the cancer patients.
See, one treatment called high dose radioiodine therapy, where we need to admit the patient in a specialized room. So that is available in Northeast only in Biborwa Cancer Institute. Now we are going to have it in entire Northeast. So what happened in Biborwa, patient have to wait for at least 2 months to get a date. So that facility will be available in RE hospital. Suppose for a thyroid cancer, once we operate, after that we have to treat them with radioiodine therapy. That is not a machine, it's kind of some medicine we give. So we isolate the patient so that patient will not go outside, the patient will not mix up with general people. So that kind of ward we are making. So patient will be in the hospital for 2-3 days. So normally general hospital they cannot keep those kind of patients. So that only in Northeast it's available in the Biborwa, but in private setup we are going to have the first high dose radioiodine therapy room. And today in the camp we have oncology, cancer surgeons, we have orthopedic surgeon Dr. Firoz, we have cardiovascular surgeon Dr. Vikas Rai Das and Dr. Ruprekha, We have urologist Dr. Ajnur, we have gynecologist Dr. Gaganpreet, and we have pediatrician Dr. Paras. We have pain specialist Dr. Sudip Mandal, and Dr. Dipankar gastroenterologist. Total we are 11 doctors for this camp. So we will be here till 3 p.m. for today's. So if anybody wants to come with this kind of problem, they can come. So please you can circulate that information. Thank you.
Orthopedic specialist. I'm one of the founder directors of this hospital. So as Dr. Muhammad has already explained, basically we want that facility to be such that all the modern equipment, all those technologies we can bring so that we can give a better service to the people. Along with it, we already have the requisite manpower, and we are recruiting whatever other departments or other facilities or other staff are required. In fact, we have started the recruitment for our staff also. Many of our qualified staff, they have joined. Currently, we are just starting with the OPD, and maybe in a few weeks' time, hopefully in the month of June, we are planning to start the indoor emergency and the operative services. Once the hospital is full-fledged, so I would like to point out one specialty of the hospital is that everything will come under the same roof. When the patient comes, no matter what the patient is suffering from, whether he is suffering from any small ailments like cough, fever, cold, or maybe normal patients like your gynae patients or your pediatric patients, till the very complicated cases like your neuro cases, like your cancer cases, heart patients. So all these patients, they will have the facilities under the same roof. They do not have to run around here and there. Right from your investigations, small investigations like blood investigation, X-rays, to the bigger investigations like HCT, MRI, CT, till the treatment phase, everything will be under the same roof. Along with it, one more important aspect that we will maybe like to highlight, that is for the common people, all the facilities that the government of Meghalaya is also providing to those patients of Meghalaya, population of Meghalaya. We will be trying to incorporate all those facilities and schemes under our hospital so that we can serve the people of Meghalaya in a proper manner. For the cardiac part, just to highlight, the PET CT and all those will be, I think, the very new things, one of the first in the state of Meghalaya. The new radiation machine, the cardiac surgery, I think that will be again one of the first things that will be bringing up in the state of Meghalaya. Robots in a private setup, especially not only in Meghalaya but as a whole in the whole of Northeast. Those things will bring all the technologies so that we can combine the technology as well as the manpower as well as the government initiatives. All those things combined, we can give 100% service to the people of the Meghalaya as well as the people of the whole Northeastern states.